We are going to miss the boat to England.
I want to miss the boat on this one.
You're gonna miss the boat.
When you first see a new picture, you don't want to miss the boat.
I'm an open book.
We were an open book.
I'm an open book.
I'm an open book.
I'm sorry, but that was the last straw.
This is the last straw.
That was the last straw for Robert's enemies.
It's just sort of the last straw.
Don't take it for granted.
I don't take it for granted.
And I don't take it for granted.
Then don't take it for granted.
Craig Harris has asked to get the ball rolling.
Yeah. You know, I've got to get the ball rolling on the organ donations right away.
Maybe you'd like to make an exploratory offer just to get the ball rolling.
And to get the ball rolling, I will tell you the darkest secrets of my life.
I just need to get the ball rolling, as it were.
I owe you one.
I owe you one.
I owe you one for this, Doug.
Well, someone's got to break the ice, and it might as well be me.
No, I'm just trying to break the ice.
We've got to break the ice sometime.
You want to break the ice?
Speak of the devil, right on time.
Speak of the devil, hello.
And speak of the devil.
Speak of the devil.
Maybe he wants to spill the beans about where the missing bodies are buried.
Someone with taste that can give you honest feedback, that you trust not to spill the beans about your secret identity.
And listen, if you've come to spill the beans, don't bother.
Now I'll just have to spill the beans to Papa.
You were the one who got me here safe and sound.
She's safe and sound, right where we left her.
Safe and sound.
We still have a chance to bring 5 astronauts home safe and sound.
So I was the only one that seemed to be on the fence.
Fisherman! Oh, Ray, wake up and smell the coffee.
Dear Miranda, wake up and smell the coffee, dear.
Wake up and smell the coffee, man.
Wake up and smell the coffee.
Time to call it a day now.
Ray, we're gonna call it a day.
You want to call it a day?
Well, my fiancé that was. Well, that is, he thinks we ought to call it a day.
It's on the tip of my tongue.
It's on the tip of my tongue. It's on the tip of my tongue.
Well, it's on the tip of my tongue, I swear.
If the deadline was tight and I had to cut corners, I had no paperwork at all.
So, yeah, I'm sure you can understand our need to cut corners around here.
Since the rents are considerably lower, this floor has been adopted by businesses which, for one reason or another, have been forced to cut corners.
They forced me to cut corners on those designs.
Got to cut corners, save time.
Deadpools are a dime a dozen here in the void.
Look, spies are a dime a dozen.
Well, she did have one of those sort of ordinary faces that are a dime a dozen, so...
I don't think so.
Don't take it out on me because you're a bus driver.
Don't take it out on me, Paco.
Don't take it out on me.
Don't take it out on me.
I'm sorry, I don't want to get off on the wrong foot, too.
Not to get off on the wrong foot here, but, why is Mom in the driveway crying?
They didn't want another day to get off on the wrong foot, so I stopped at the store and I ended up...
Sorry, I didn't mean to get off on the wrong foot.
Vanna, why the long face, huh?
Why the long face, partner?
So why the long face then?
Why the long face?